Luxury, power, and obsession collide on four wheels. In 2025, the world's most expensive cars aren't just vehicles. They are masterpieces of design, engineering, and exclusivity. Every detail, from hand-stitched interiors to naturally aspirated engines that roar like wild beasts, is crafted for a select few. Today, we're counting down the top 10 most expensive luxury cars in the world. Cars that define wealth, status, and the ultimate driving experience. If you love hypercars, one-of-a-kind coach-built creations, and the pinnacle of automotive artistry, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and comment with the car that belongs in your dream garage. Let's dive in. Number 10. Bugatti Divo, $5.8 million. Kicking off our list is the Bugatti Divo, a car that prioritizes handling and agility over outright top speed. A bold choice for an ultra-luxury hypercar. Built on the Chiron platform but heavily re-engineered, the Divo's aerodynamics, suspension tuning, and chassis dynamics were optimized for corner carving rather than drag strip velocity. With just about 40 units produced, its rarity alone drives its value well into the millions. This isn't just another hypercar. It's one crafted for collectors who feel the road and demand precision at every turn. Number 9. Pagani Huayra Codalunga, $7.4 million. The Pagani Huayra Codalunga, a long-tail evolution of Pagani's beloved Huayra hypercar. This ultra-rare variant combines bespoke Italian craftsmanship with cutting-edge performance. Its elongated silhouette isn't just about aesthetics. It improves aerodynamics and stability, making it as thrilling to drive as it is beautiful to behold. With Pagani's signature attention to detail inside and out, and a mind-bending powertrain under the hood, only a select handful of enthusiasts worldwide will ever get behind its wheel. Number 8. Mercedes-Maybach Exelero, $8 million. The Mercedes-Maybach Exelero stands apart from modern hypercars because it predates most of them. Built in 2005 as a one-off luxury speed coupe, it was originally commissioned to test high-performance tires and became an instant legend. Powered by a twin-turbo V12 producing around 690 horsepower, the Exelero is colossal in both size and presence. With only one example in existence, its estimated value hovers around $8 million, placing it solidly among the most expensive cars on Earth in 2025. Number 7. Bugatti 110, $9 million. The Bugatti 110 honors the brand's heritage while packing uncompromising performance and ultra-limited exclusivity. Created to celebrate Bugatti's 110th anniversary, it reinterprets classic design cues from the iconic EB 110 Supersport with a modern, aggressive twist and cutting-edge aerodynamics. Its quad-turbocharged 8.0-liter W16 engine delivers a staggering 1,577 horsepower, propelling the car to supercar benchmarks that few others even approach. With only 10 units produced and all spoken for by collectors worldwide, its exclusivity is almost unmatched in the hypercar world. The 110 isn't just rare, it's a rolling tribute to Bugatti's history and engineering prowess, combining blistering speed, bespoke design, and luxury craftsmanship in a way few others can match. Number 6. Rolls-Royce Sweptail, $13 million. The Rolls-Royce Sweptail isn't merely a car, it's coach-built luxury realized and elevated to art. Commissioned by a private client and taking nearly 5 years of design and bespoke craftsmanship to complete, this masterpiece draws inspiration from classic coach-built vehicles of the 1920s and 1930s, evoking glamour and elegance in its every curve. Its sweeping silhouette and panoramic glass roof blur the line between automotive design and high art, offering unparalleled presence on both road and showroom. Inside, the handcrafted interior uses the finest materials, rare leathers, polished woods, and custom fittings, tailored specifically to its owner's taste. With its unique build, tailored engineering, and bespoke features found nowhere else in the world, The Sweptail's value has consistently placed it among the most expensive and most talked about automobiles in existence, defining what ultimate luxury truly means. Number 5. SP Automotive Chaos, $14+ million. The SP Automotive Chaos pushes the boundaries of what a luxury hypercar can be with radical performance figures and design that seems almost futuristic. Designed in Greece, the Chaos represents a blend of aerospace-grade materials, bespoke engineering, and styling that defies conventional automotive classification. It's claimed to feature staggering performance potential, including a reported 3,065 horsepower in certain configurations, numbers that would challenge or exceed most competition hypercars on the planet. While some details about production and deliveries remain tightly held or limited, multiple reliable sources place its valuation well north of $14 million in 2025, solidifying its position among the elite few. Its aggressive lines, shadowy presence, and theoretical performance make it as much a statement of ambition as a performance machine. To many collectors, the Chaos isn't just about price, it's about pushing the supercar envelope to extremes most manufacturers won't touch. Number 4. Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta, $17 million. The Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta represents the final, most extreme evolution of the Zonda lineage, one of the most revered names in automotive craftsmanship. Powered by a naturally aspirated 7.3-liter AMG V12, producing around 789 horsepower, its open-top design reveals exposed carbon fiber, distinctive rear-wheel fairings, and a presence that's instantly recognizable. Only 3 units were ever built, one of which remains with Pagani founder Horacio Pagani himself. Its blend of pure performance and unmatched rarity makes it one of the most coveted cars on Earth. Number 3. Bugatti La Voiture Noire, $18.7 million. At number 3 is Bugatti La Voiture Noire, one of the most famous and expensive modern cars ever created. A tribute to the lost Bugatti, Type 57 SC Atlantic, this one-off hypercar combines modern engineering with sculptural design. Powered by an 8.0-liter quad-turbo W16 engine producing roughly 1,479 horsepower, it delivers both incredible speed and breathtaking presence. With only one example in the world and a price tag approaching $19 million, La Voiture Noire remains a dream car for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Number 2. Rolls-Royce Boat Tail, $28 million. The Rolls-Royce Boat Tail is one of the most extraordinary expressions of bespoke automotive craftsmanship ever built. Inspired by classic J-class yachts, this coach-built Grand Tour features an elegant rear deck that opens into a luxurious hosting suite, complete with bespoke accessories. Decked out with a handcrafted interior tailored to its owner's specifications, and with only 3 units produced, the Boat Tail represents the pinnacle of automotive personalization and exclusivity. Number 1. Rolls-Royce La Rose Noir Drop Tail, $30 million, and topping our list is the Rolls-Royce La Rose Noir Drop Tail, widely recognized as the most expensive car in the world as of 2025. This coach-built tour de force draws inspiration from the rare black Baccara rose and showcases unparalleled craftsmanship, from over 1,600 pieces of hand-finished veneer to bespoke accessories tailored for the owner. Only 4 units are planned, each a unique expression of luxury at its absolute peak. More than a car, the Drop Tail is a rolling work of art and a symbol of ultimate exclusivity. Luxury at this level isn't just about price, it's about heritage, individuality, and the stories each vehicle tells. From boutique coach-built masterpieces to limited hypercars engineered for a select few, these cars represent the zenith of automotive luxury in 2025. Which one would you park in your dream garage if money were no object? Let us know in the comments below. Hit like if you learned something new, subscribe for more deep dives into rare machines, and turn on notifications so you never miss a ride into the world of the extraordinary.